Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 26th November 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with a groundbreaking partnership in the world of digital finance. Archax, a regulated digital asset exchange, has teamed up with Ripple to bring a tokenized money market fund from UK asset manager ABN onto the XRP ledger. This fund is part of ABN's substantial £3.8 billion liquidity fund and marks the first of its kind on the XRPL. This collaboration underscores the potential of blockchain for real-world asset tokenization and institutional DeFi. Ripple is investing $5 million into tokens from ABN's Lux fund as part of a larger strategy to channel funds into tokenized assets on the XRPL. With tokenized money market funds already surpassing $1 billion in assets, the market for tokenized assets is projected to reach a staggering $16 trillion by 2030. In other news, the future of technology could be shaped by crypto agents and verifiable systems. David Snyder, co-founder of Lit Protocol, highlights how these autonomous digital technologies are designed to empower users rather than replace them. Crypto agents, which are self-governing software programs operating on blockchains, offer predictability and security, making them ideal for high-stakes applications. These agents can enhance user empowerment by embedding trust directly into systems, allowing for transparent and secure interactions. As the demand for verification of AI-generated content grows, crypto agents may play a crucial role in ensuring clarity and authenticity in the digital space. Turning to the world of meme coins, the Solana-based platform Pump.Fun has decided to remove its livestream feature following backlash over inappropriate content. The platform, which allows users to create meme tokens without coding skills, faced criticism after several alarming incidents during live streams. These included threats of self-harm and violent behavior. In response, Pump.Fun has paused live streaming indefinitely to enhance its moderation capabilities. Despite this, users can still create and trade meme coins independently. The platform is committed to ensuring a safer environment for its users moving forward. A recent study has shed light on the risky nature of meme coin promotions on Twitter. It found that 76% of Twitter influencers promote meme coins that have lost at least 90% of their value since being promoted. The research analyzed over 1,500 tokens endorsed by 377 influencers, revealing that 2/3 of these meme coins are now worthless. Interestingly, influencers with larger followings tend to promote less successful meme coins, while smaller influencers have had better outcomes. Despite the high risks for investors, influencers earn an average of $399 per promotional tweet, incentivizing them to promote even questionable tokens. Investors are urged to approach meme coin promotions with caution. Finally, in Hong Kong, ZA Bank, the region's largest digital bank, has launched a new service allowing retail users to buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum directly using fiat currency. This service is integrated into the bank's app and is part of a collaboration with cryptocurrency exchange Hashkey. The initiative aims to meet regulatory requirements and integrate traditional banking with cryptocurrency services. Retail crypto trading in Hong Kong began in August 2023, and ZA Bank, with over 800,000 users, is positioning itself as a significant player in the digital banking sector. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain.